Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In this class I am going to discuss with you exercise 6.2 of linear equations of two variables. Now that is the chapter 6 of class 9. Now we were discussing this chapter since previous I think 3 to 4 videos. Now we will be continuing the class where we have stopped in that particular exercise. Yes, I have done till third problem in the previous exercise. In that exercise in the previous video, if you want to watch it, just click on the iCard here. And the introductory part and 6.1 exercise, please go to the channel playlist and click on that particular video. You can observe them. Okay. Here now we will start quickly. Find a value of k if x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is a solution of the equation. Given here clearly 2x plus 3y equals to k here. Here the constant given as k, find two more solutions of the resultant equation. First we need to find the value of k, then afterwards, because one solution is given, other two more solutions we need to find. Let's quickly start here. The solution for this is, to find the k value we will be substituting x and y values in the equation. Let us write the equation 2x plus 3y equals to k. So substituting x is equal to 2, y equal to 1. Why we are substituting? Because given the condition that E is a solution, these two are the solutions for the equation. So we are substituting here 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1, where y is 1, equals to k. So that is 4 plus 3 equals to k. So k value equals to 7. So the resultant equation formed is, now we will be substituting k value. So we got k as 7. So this is the resultant equation. For this resultant equation we need to find two more solutions. Now how do we find the solutions? By substituting any value for x we can find the value of y. So let us take x equals to 0. Okay, so 2 into 0 plus 3 into y equal to 7. So 3y equals to 7. Y equals to 7 upon 3. So 2 into 0 comes to 0 here. So when I have got x 0, so the y value is 7 by 3. This is one solution. One more solution. Let me take y equal to 0 in the equation. So 2x plus 3 into 0 equals to 7. So this becomes 0. So 2x equals to 7, x is equal to 7 upon 2. So when x is 7 by 2, y value is 0. This is another solution. So these two are the two more solutions for the resultant equation. Please pause the video and note it down. Let's see the next one. Now the fifth problem. If x is equal to 2 minus alpha and y equal to 2 plus alpha is a solution of the equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Find the value of alpha. Find three more solutions of the resultant equation. Clearly given, this is similar to the fourth problem where they have given the values of x and y. Here they have involved alpha also. Now x value is x 2 minus alpha, y value is 2 plus alpha. That we will substitute here. So we get alpha value. Then for the resultant equation we will find three more solutions. How do we find three more solutions? By just applying x values and x value, or giving one, since there are two variables here, if you give some smaller value to the x or y, you get the other variable. Okay. So here we will start. Now given this x and y are a solution for that equation. So in that equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. What I'll do? I'll substitute x value and y value as 2 minus alpha, 2 plus alpha. Let's substitute here. 3 into 2 minus alpha minus 2 into 2 plus alpha. So this is y equal plus 6 equals to 0. Now here we will open the bracket. 3 to 6 minus 3 alpha minus 4 minus 2 alpha plus 6. Now the constant terms we will add, alpha terms we will add. Okay, here minus 3 alpha minus 2 alpha, that comes to minus 5 alpha. Okay, 6 plus 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 4, that is 8 plus 8 equal to 0. Here what I have done, I have clubbed the constants 6, 4 and 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 minus 4 is plus 8, and minus 2 alpha minus 3 alpha is minus 5 alpha. Since same sign, so I have added. Now here minus 5 alpha equals to, if you shift this that side, minus 8. Both sides minus, I can cancel. Alpha is equal to 8 by 5. So first part of the question we have found out, that is alpha value is 8 by 5 here. Now here we got alpha as 8 by 5, and in this equation we need to find 3 more solutions. Now what are the 3 more solutions for this equation? Let x equals to 2. Not always, don't keep x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. Just you can keep any value, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, or y equal to 1, y equal to 2, and find the other variable. Why am I telling like that? Because if you take simpler low values, then you can easily find out the value of the other variable. Okay, now I am taking x0 so that I can get y. Okay, 3 into 0 minus 2 into y plus 6 equal to 0. So that is given. I have substituted in the equation x value. So this comes to 0, minus 2y equal to minus 6. Both sides minus, I can cancel. Y is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. So when x is 0, y value is 3. This is one solution. Now let us take y equal to 0. You can take y 1, 2, 0, anything we can take. 3 into 3x minus 2 into 0 plus 6. This is the equation, isn't it? So 3x, here 3x, this becomes 0 equal to minus 6. So x value is minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. So when x is minus 2, y value is 0. When y is 0, x is minus 2. That is the second solution. Let us find the other solution. By taking simpler values, let's take x1 or y1 or x2, y2, anything you can take. So I'll take x equal to 1. 3 into 1 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So 3 minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So minus 2y is, this is 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 if it goes that side, minus 9. So minus minus gets cancelled both sides, 9 by 2. So when x value is 1, y value is 9 by 2 or 4.5. So these are the 3 more solutions. This is one, this is second one, this is the third one. Likewise, we can find many solutions. Okay, pause the video and note it down. If x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 3x plus ay equal to 6, find the value of a. Here we will, this is a solution of this. So we have to substitute them in the equation so that we can get the value of a. So when you are substituting the equation, so the equation is this. Okay. Here I'll substitute x and y values. So x value is 3 into 1 plus y value is a into 1. Both are 1. So this is 6. So 3 plus a into 1 is a, here 6. A is equal to 6 minus 3. So a value is 3. Right. Now pause the video and note it down. Last question of this exercise, write 5 different linear equations with 2 variables and find the 3 solutions for each of them. Here asked, you have to give your own 5 linear equations. Okay, randomly you can give any 5 linear equations, and for each linear equations you need to find 3 solutions. Now how do we find the solutions? We just applying x value and you can get the y value. Just substituting x value, get the y values. But take smaller values so that the simplification will be easier for you. So here I had noted down 5 linear equations. Okay, these are from the textbook only, from the example problems. Likewise, you can write any 5 linear equations on your own. Why? Because here only condition is that it should have x variable and y variable. That means here we are asked on linear equations of 2 variables, isn't it? So here I had noted down 5. Now for this 5 equations, this is the first part of the questions, giving 5 different linear equations. Then the second part of this question is find 3 solutions for each of them. for each linear equation. Now I'll take the first one. For the first linear equation, let us find 3 solutions. Now for this, 3x plus 2y equals to 9. I'll take let x is equal to 0. Always I am taking zeros, y value 0, x is 1, because giving simpler values will make our work easier. So 3 into 0 I am substituting, plus 2y equals to 9 here. So 2y equals to 9, y equal to 9 by 2. So when I substituted 0, I got 9 by 2. This is one solution. Let us take, let x equal y equal to 0 or x equal to 1 also you can take. So 3x plus 2 into y is 0, isn't it? Here y value is 0 equals to 9. So 3x equals to 9. X is equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. So when 3 comma 0 is a solution. Now let us take x value 1. So 3 into 1 plus 2y equals to 9. So 3 plus 2y equals to 9. 2y equal to 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. So y value equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Right. So when x value is 1, y value is 3. So I found out 3 solutions for first equation. Likewise, you have to find for all the equations. Let us take here, let us take the second equation. 9x minus 5y equal to 10. So 9 into 0, let x equal to 0. Okay, 9 into 0 minus 5y equal to 10. So minus 5y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 by minus 5. This comes to minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. Likewise, let y equal to 0. 9x minus 5 into 0 equal to 10. So 9x equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 9. So when 10 by 9 comma 0 is the second solution. Here y value 0 I have taken, right? Now let us take x value 1. Okay, 9 into 1 minus 5, y equals to 10. So that comes to minus 5y equal to 10 minus 9. So here I can write minus 5y equal to 1, y equal to 1 by minus 5. So that means x value is 1, y value is minus 1 by 5. So minus value to the fraction. So these 3 are the solutions of the second. Likewise, you can do the other one, that is the third. I'll do the third here. Here 2x equal to y. This is a linear equation, 2x minus y. Let us take y inside here. Here let x equal to 0. So this becomes 0. So minus y equal to 0. That means y also 0. So x is 0, y is also 0. Now let y equal to 0. Here y equal to 0 we got it. Okay. So let us take another value. So let y equal to 1. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to 1. X is equal to half. So when x is half, y value is 1. This is the second solution. Likewise, let us take x is equal to 1. Let x equal to 1. Here 2 into 1 minus y equal to 0. 2 minus y equal to 0. Minus y equal to minus 2. So y equal to 2. So we got the solution as 1 comma 2. So this is the third solution. Now the fourth one. Fourth one, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Right. So in this, let x 0. So this becomes 0. So 3y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So the solution is 0 comma 2. This is the first solution. Now here if you see, let y equal to 0. So minus 2x, this part becomes 0. Minus 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 upon minus 2, that is minus 3. So when x is minus 3, y equal to 0. This is the second solution. Likewise, I'll do it here. let x equal to 1 or y equal to 1. Anything you can take here. Minus 2 into 1 plus 3y equal to 6 here. So minus 2 plus 3y equal to 6. So 3y equal to 6 plus 2. So y equal to 8 by 3. So when x is 1, y is 8 by 3. This is the third solution, right? Now this is the fourth equation, third solution. Now the last one, 8x plus 5y. 8x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. So we will apply x0 first. So this becomes 0. So 5y, if you shift this other side, becomes 3, y equal to 3 by 5. So the solution is 0, 3 by 5. This is the first one. Now I'll substitute y equal to 0. So this part becomes 0. So 8x equal to 3. X is equal to 3 upon 8. So when x is 3 by 8, y is 0. So 2 over. So let us take x is equal to 1. Okay. 8 into 1 plus 5 into y equal to 3. So 5y equal to 3 minus 8. This comes other side. So this is minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5 by 5, that is minus 1. So when x is 1, y is minus 1. These are the three solutions. Okay. So I had randomly taken 5 equations. You can take your own 5 equations. For each equation, apply x or y values, the simpler value, so that you get the other variable. Okay, that will become the solution. Likewise, 3 solutions you need to find. I hope you have understood this concept of finding out the solutions for the linear equations. And we have also observed that there are many solutions for the linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, now with this we have completed the exercise 6.2. Right, now we will see in our next exercise, that is 6.3, the graph problems. Be ready with your graph books. Okay, hope you have understood today's class well. Thank you all.